What financing options are available for remote fix and flip purchases? First, traditional bank loans. Traditional bank loans can be used to finance fix and flip properties even if the property is located remotely. Banks will typically require larger down payments, such as 20 or 30%, and the underwriting process can be more stringent. However, bank loans offer lower interest rates usually compared to other options. Second, hard money lenders. Hard money lenders are private investors who specialize in financing fix and flip projects. They tend to have more flexible underwriting criteria than banks, making them a good option for remote properties. Now, hard money loans typically have higher interest rates but faster approval timelines. And third, private money or partnership arrangements. For remote fix and flip deals, some investors opt to partner with private investors or raise private money. This could involve finding a private lender, forming a JV or joint venture partnership, or other creative financing structures. Private money arrangements often provide more flexibility but require strong relationships and trust between the parties involved. Ultimately, finding the best financing option will depend on the specifics of the deal, your experience as an investor, and your access to different capital sources. It's important to carefully evaluate the trade-offs of each approach to determine which strategy is best for you and your remote fix and flip investment.